Good morning, teachers.
We are pleased to welcome you to the coolest chat show in school, Masters of Farre.
हमारे एग्जाम का रिजल्ट तो आने वाला है जल्दी, so we thought let's talk to the people जो इस स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल्स हैं.
Okay, तीनों principal.
Good morning, teacher.
So I have a very important question to ask the three Mamos. Who was the best, who was the average, and who was the worst student from the three of you?
Oh,
I have failed twice in the same class, so which is very difficult. So I failed in the sixth, then I failed again in the sixth.
no, we were also there only. Now, when did that happen? Which is all true.
Maybe.
I think you would have been the best student.
No, I was just an above average student.
Okay, so you were the average.
Salman was the best student.
I was slightly above him.
Actually, yeah, he's
Fourth to
first
finish,
grader,
yeah.
yeah.
What were you guys not allowed in school when you were? What were banned things like right now? Like we have phones.
In our times, landlines were not allowed to be brought to. आपको कॉल करना है बाहर जाके कॉइन डाल के करे.
That's interesting actually. So how would you guys meet up? Plans कैसे बनते थे जब phones नहीं थे?
We used to tie whatever message on a kabutar we used to send it.
But I didn't say it.
And we used that in Maine Pyar Kiya also.
What about bunking? So we used to bunk here.
Yeah.
I had a funny incident once. I was going to college, so this person, that family friend I knew, this girl was going towards Bandra. So basically at Church Gate. I was going to my college and she was going. So she said bunking. So I said no, I'm going to college. No, I am bunking. So I said अच्छा.
सर आप लोग चीटिंग कैसे करते थे? आपका कोई ऐसा ट्रिक था जैसे हम लोग फर्रे यूज करते हैं?
मैं चीटिंग नहीं करता था.
आप पेपर्स मंगवाते थे?
नहीं, वो तो बात की बात है. वो स्कूल अब कोई आके देखे जा रहा है तो रख लो.
Smart kids used to at some place write the formulas, key questions के answers जो हर पेपर में आ जाते हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम के at 9th 10th standard के. That used to be there somewhere on the desk if you were because they used to carve it on the desk.
Important thing maybe that school taught you.
Yeah.
School is the first place where you step out of home and you meet a number of people from different walks of life, families and all that stuff, and how you can learn so much from different cultures and so many people, different people, and to become a part of, it's a small society.
I just believe that life is just going to keep on, throwing challenges at you. Always going to have some kind of ups and downs, some kind of difficulty in your life. This is what your examinations in school teach you. So that is what I believe, that you, if there's anything that comes on to you in your personal life, the way you solve the problems and you passed in school, you may need to do it, apply that right now in your own real life.
But guys, best of luck, and young
24th
boys
November.
have done a film
All
on
the best.
education, which is great.
People need to see this film. I think it is a whole package and it's come out rightly, so it's come out beautiful.
It's a good influence.
And it's interesting and entertaining at the same time, so it's like very good. So we enjoyed it, and we're very proud of this film. And congratulations, and 24th November is when it releases, so all the very best to all of you.
Advance booking for Farre is open now.
खुल गई यार. अपने आईपैड उठाओ, फोन उठाओ, कुछ भी उठाओ, बस टिकट बुक कर लो यार.
करो जल्दी करो.
Now guys, now.
No. Farre.